Zombie Dance. It's choreographed by Jackie Wheeler. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with 2 restarts on walls 2 and 6, both after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where those 2 restarts happen, and then we're going to go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how everything flows and where stuff happens so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Spellbound Zombie Dance. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do toe struts forward. We're going to take our right toe, touch it forward. You're going to drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to do that same thing with your left. Touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. Then we're going to repeat that with the right. Touch your right toe forward, drop your heel, taking weight onto your right foot. Touch your left toe forward, drop your heel, taking weight onto your left foot. And as you do that, you want to make sure that you're slightly traveling forward. Weight is on your left foot. Let's do it with some counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn that's going to put us at 3 o'clock. We're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly to the right side, and then you're going to cross your left over your right. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to do side touches, stepping our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your jazz box quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot into the right forward diagonal. You're now going to take your left heel. You're going to swivel it in towards your right foot. Swivel your left toe in towards your right. Swivel your left heel into your right foot. We're now going to repeat that with the left. So we're going to step our left foot into the left diagonal. You're going to bring your right heel in towards your left foot. Right toe in towards your left foot. Right heel in towards your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to bump our hips twice to the right. So we're going to slightly step our right foot to the right side. You're going to bump your hip twice. Right, right. Now we're going to put our weight onto our left and we're going to bump our hip twice to the left. Bump, bump. Now we're going to do singles back and forth. So we're going to bump right, bump, left, right, bump, left. Weight's going to end on your left foot and then you're ready to start the next wall. So let's try that last part with some counts. Putting your weight onto that right foot, you're bumping your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your toe struts forward. Right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut. Jazz box, quarter cross, side touch, step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, bump right, twice bump left, twice single right, left, left. You're ending with your weight on your left foot, ready to start over. Let's do it with some counts. Toe strut forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, wall 2 and wall 6 are both going to be our 3 o'clock facing wall. So the first two times that we come to our 3 o'clock wall, you're going to dance the first 16 counts and a restart. So let's dance up to that 16 counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your toe struts. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Jazz box, quarter turn, side touch. Right here, you will start the dance over again on walls 2 and 6. When we do it the first time, it will become wall 3. When we do it the second time, it will become wall 7. And then you just dance the rest of the way through. So now let's go around. We're going to do 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice both restarts. Weight is on your left foot. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will do counts. Starting with your toe struts. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Jazz box with a cross, step, touch, step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, bump right, bump left, now singles, right, left, toe strut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, restart, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, jazz box, quarter cross, step, touch, step, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, bump right, bump left, now singles, right, left, toe strut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, jazz box with a cross step touch, step, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, bump right, bump left, now singles, right, left, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, restart, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, jazz box with a cross side touch, step, heel, step, heel, toe, heel, bump right, bump left, now singles, right, left, left. And you would dance the rest of the way through without having to worry about anything. I hope this helps you learn Spellbound zombie dance, and I hope you have a great spooky season. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.